Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to fix the Google Maps voice navigation not working. So head over to Google Map. Now keep tapped on it. Go to the info icon and in here scroll down and go to the permission section, and here see if the voice or microphone is allowed. As you can see, it is in the not allowed section. I'm gonna tap on the microphone and tap on only while using the app. Once I select it, it is currently in the allowed section. And the second thing you can try is check your sound settings, give it is turned on, and the voice notifications and system sound is turned on. So once it is done, if the problem is still going on, then go to the Play Store, and in the Play Store search for Google Map. And in here, once the search is done, see if there is any update available. So if there is any update available, you find it in here and you can update your Google Maps. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.